What's up, everybody? It's Mr. DS18, and I'm back with the EXL SQ series. This time, we're testing them out. 4-inch, 5 1/4, 6 1/2, 6x9. I have a non-copyrighted song on my phone. We have this small setup we did here with the Candy 5, a BT2. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to connect the 4-inch first. I'm going to shoot it your guys' way so you can look at it. I'll put it back, then continue. After the video, I'll talk a little bit about the speakers and what I hear on my end. So let's set the track on. It's the same volume for everybody. Let's start with the 4. You can hear the tweeter, the sound quality of that tweeter. Plays good. 5 1/4. Sounds good, man. 6 1/2. On to the 6x9. Six and a half again. Let's go to the 5 1/4 one more time. And the 4. So you guys have it. The EXL SQ series. 4, 5 1/4, 6, 6x9. They sound amazing. Video does no justice at all. Flush mount tweeter. It has the glass fiber or carbon fiber cone with the rubber surround. 3 ohm speakers. You got 160 RMS, 120 RMS, 80 RMS, and 60 RMS. If you guys enjoyed the video, you have any questions, leave them on the comments below. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.